How to draw a whale shark. Hey, learn how to draw Hub Crew. So for the first step of drawing our whale shark, we're going to begin by making a circle right above the center of the page. On the inside of the circle, we're going to add in another black circle, which will be a little bit smaller. This will be the first eye. Very nice. Now right below the eye that we just drew, we're going to add in a long diagonal backwards J shape. This will connect to the eye that we just made. Now a little to the left of the J that we just made, we're going to go ahead and add in a big upside down U-like shape. This will connect to the J. Wow, that's a great start. Now let's go right below everything that we just drew. We're going to begin to make a very odd looking shape. It's going to come to a sharp point, and this would be the bottom fin of our whale shark. We're going to connect it all the way up to the eye. If I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. Now on top of the eye, we're going to make a small line, and then we're going to make a long line. It's going to go straight up and then straight across to the right hand side. Next, we're going to connect the fin that we previously made to the line that we just drew. We're going to connect it all the way over to the right hand side at the end point. Awesome! Now that we have this corner formed, we can go ahead and make the second eye of our whale shark. We're going to make it on the right hand side of this corner. Next, we're going to draw the eyebrows by using small curved lines above each eye. Next, we're going to use a line which will connect the left eye all the way over to the right eye. Now right below that line, we're going to begin to make the mouth. The mouth will look similar to a heart-like shape. Now on the inside of the mouth, we're going to draw the tongue by using a simple curved line. On the right side of the body, we're going to use a big upside down U-like shape to make the second fin of our whale shark. Moving back over to the left hand side, we're going to finish the tail and then connect it to the body. On the tail, we're going to add in a small line which will connect to the fin. This will help separate the colors. Now all over the body except for the underbelly, we're going to add in circles for detail. If you want to join the Learn How to Draw Hub crew, then you can join by hitting the subscribe button, and I highly recommend doing so if you want to see more drawing tutorials just like this. We're going to draw a total of 5 more fins. The first will be the largest, and this will have circles on it as well. The other 4 fins will be smaller. 3 will be on the bottom, and 1 will be on the top, to the left of the large fin. All the fins will look similar to triangle-like shapes. Great job today, Learn How to Drill Hub crew. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give this video a big like so that other YouTube artists can see it as well. Be sure to stick around so that we can color our drawing together, and I can't wait to draw with you next time. Hey Learn How to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.